Yes, guys. LSGH, Los All Green Hills. Guys, welcome to a special episode of Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. So we're going where, Kuya? Lasal, because Ate and Lex Tom will get their exams. Yesterday they had their interview and will visit the campus and have their exams there. Yes. And we're all in white and green colors of Lasal. So we're claiming it already that they'll be admitted to the school. Let's go, guys. We're here, guys. I haven't been here for, I don't know, for a decade or so. Learn more, be more. So we'll park first and we'll go to the admissions. Are you excited, Kuya? They say I have to park sa steel parking. Ba't hindi na lang dito, steel park? Kuya! Okay, let's go! Look at the football field, Kuya! Soccer, it's so big, right? And there's like a steel parking. I haven't been here, but it's nice to be back. There, huh? Nice. I remember nag-PE pa ako. First, Kuya, can you please? Thanks. And now we're on our way. I think that this is close, so we go through here. Very nice, guys. Feb for our 25th year anniversary of the time we graduated. But I wasn't able to fly. So, but you know, God works in mysterious ways. We weren't really thinking of what it just happened. So God leads you to where you should be. So we're here, guys, on the campus. Wow! Here? Okay. Oh, this is new. May tambayan na. LSGH Brothers. It's a big school, right, Ate? Where's the admission? Oh, nice. Dito na. Let's go, guys. We'll go to admission. You know, I don't remember my classrooms anymore. But I had a classroom before dito sa sa may gym. Kuya, are you excited?
Yes.
It's becoming more real. Where's the admission? Maybe it's here. We'll check. It's fun, guys. Reminiscing. See Saint LaSalle with the kids. Thank you. Go straight. Name, guys. So this is the chapel. It's my classmate and good friend. There, Butch. There, nice. Ano pa siya? Elementary?
Senior high na.
Dati dito elementary. Dito tayo elementary, di ba? Tama ba?
Hindi, dito
high
tayo
school?
nag-high school.
Doon nag-high school din tayo dun eh.
Kasi first year, second year,
Oo.
nag-remember. First year, second year, dito tayo.
Oh, tama.
Third year, fourth year, saka tayo lumipat sa new building.
Mr. Salalima pa dito before eh.
Tama, Mr. Sanali. Dito.
Parang 10 years ago.
10 years.
Oh, before the pandemic. So nice, guys. Let's go. Gusto ko magpa-picture na may Lasal something eh.
What's your name?
Lexi, what's your name? Oh. This one is new also. Hindi ko to naabutan. Oo nga eh. Yeah. So this is our campus tour. It's nice. Excited, Kuya. It's so big, no? The campus is so big. You might get lost. You think you're gonna get lost, Kuya? Yes? TR is here still. Ay. Wow, look, oh. It's a nice, parang tambay place. Wala na yung aquarium dito. Wala na, ano? Doon na, lumipat na. O, see, ay aquarium here. Class din ako dito dati. Di ba may class din tayo dati dito? Ngayon meron pa.
Meron pa rin. Nandiyan yung ano. Tara, akin tayo.
Let's go. You wanna go up, kuya?
There's a cafeteria.
It's the cafeteria.
Important.
Oh, see? This is the big cafeteria, but there's also a cafeteria for elementary.
Yeah.
This is for high school? Yeah. So, ikaw ate pwede because you're near here. If you're gonna push through.
Alexa is coming.
Guys, so we're going around the campus.
Yeah, those are class.
These are classrooms also. Here in the gym. Yes. Reminiscing while the kids are excited with the possibility of going to school here, guys, in LaSalle, Green Hills. That's why we're in green, and white. Here, I still remember this. Yes. And now, this is the, Hindi ako nag-high school nga building. This was a new building then. And then there's here. Oh, it looks the same. It's nice. Ate, this is the for your grade level. Yeah, it's nice, no? It still looks the same. Kasi yung library yata dito sa baba.
Third year, fourth year.
Third year, fourth year. Tapos parang dito dati nag-recollection. Parang dito yung naalala ko. Oo.
Malamang. Baka yan, yung chapel din.
Yeah. Dati, fourth year, dapat 4A ako. Tapos pinuntahan ko yung principal, sabi ko, kasama ko pa si Philip Cruz, sabi ko, sir, pag hindi mo ako binalik sa 4B sa semi-honors, I will transfer. Pero hindi totoo yun. Tapos hanggang ngayon, hindi alam ng nanay at tatay ko na nagpa-transfer ako.
Nagpa-transfer ko sa B.
B, dapat A. C.
Oo nga daw, honors.
Yeah, to semi-honors.
Pag-iingay, hindi ko masyado kilala eh.
Nakalimutan mo na sila.
Sila usually from grade 6.
Diyan namin sa Subway Brother. Kasi
So traffic na siya talaga dito. Everything is here. Oh, nice guys. St. LaSalle. It's a big campus. Ilang hectares ba to? Ang laki no? Malaki siya.
7 nga.
7 hectares. Wow. Right? This is a very big screen. I still remember. Yeah. Para lang papalamig. Okay, so here's the classroom. Here, guys, so let's check.
Pass here.
Oh, may female conference room.
Ay, sorry, fourth floor.
Fourth.
Pero okay na.
Oh,
Kasi may bridgeway pa.
oh, let's check that later, no? Pwede rin pumasok. Oh, Kuya Alex, come on. Ate, oh, this is the classroom.
Ayun, school na
So see, they have a big screen, ate, oh, when they teach. So, it's air-conditioned now.
tapos may LED pa, so power for PowerPoint.
Yes. Oo.
PowerPoint.
Tapos, di ba may laptop na, may iPad sila? So, sasagot sila sa iPad.
Oo, depende.
Wow. Nice.
Samantalang noon, kailangan may chalk out.
The gym, guys. Yes.
Danger.
Nice. And then there are how many classrooms? Parang 10 pa rin.
Ito, 10 pa rin. Although,
Okay.
lesser na yung sections.
So here is the connecting, guys, to the gym. So it's the St. Benil Gym for basketball, events, and even graduation before.
Tama.
Yan.
Yes po, it's aircon na.
Tapos may insulator parang... Wow. Like it, kuya?
So dito yung parang mga alumni niya.
There. We can have a picture there. Oh, it's so nice. Yun. Nice. Ayan, pa-picture tayo dyan. May LSGH.
Pero dito tayo really cool.
When you graduate there, oh, there ka mo ma. I so love this place, guys. I remember graduation, events, and all here in LaSalle Green Hills. Elementary gym. Ooh. Hi, morning. It's big, kuya, no? And the pool is there on the side. Cafeteria ito. You wanna check out the cafeteria?
Yes,
Pero the students dito binababa or dun pa rin, no?
Bawal na siya. Bawal na siya.
Pero marami ba from the village na dito nag-aaral? Wala na. Oo. Oh, so kuya, you'll eat here. Wait here na. The St. LaSalle cafeteria. Okay, for grade school, guys, where kuya will have his snacks and lunch. Yeah, this is the elementary, guys. What do you think, kuya? You like it here? But you'll miss ate. It's okay. She's on the other side.
I'll miss my friends too.
Yeah, it's okay. You can call them. You'll have new friends here, right? How about you, ate? You like it? Yes. Okay, guys. Do well, ah.
Other side na naman si ate.
Your exams. There's Lexi. Consider, guys, for the bag. Oh, to make it easier for the students.
So yung bag mo, ilan?
Yeah. So we're waiting for the admin office to open so that they can take their exam. It's Chapel Anay to ask for God's guidance and blessing. Lex Tom wants to see. Yes. Ate, good luck. So how was the exam, ate? Wow! So you think you'll be getting good news next week?
3 mistakes max.
Wow! So confident. So proud of you, ate. Are you excited to be a LaSallian?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you. How about you? Will you transfer here in the future? Oh. So ate finished in just 30 minutes, that fast. So hopefully that's a very good sign, right? So we'll get to know by next week. And we're gonna wait lang for Kuya. Kuya, what do you think? Good? You took the exam seriously?
Yeah.
Very good. Did you answer all questions?
Yes.
Very good. So you finished earlier by almost 10 minutes. Ate finished by 30 minutes earlier. So that's good, right? So you're excited?
Yes.
We'll get to know by next week. Okay, guys. So we're off. We'll just wait for a few days, guys, Kuya, and we'll share with everyone what the results will be. Okay? So let's go, guys. We're excited. Where we have the Honors Assembly. Saldonato Center for Performing Arts. Let's see if it's open. Oh, it's closed. Yeah. Yes. Guys. There.
Still watching Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures.
It's May 7. Tuesday. It's like 6 working days after Lex, Tom, and Alexa completed their requirements, most especially their exam. Lexi, what will you tell Kuya? Next Tom and Ate Alexa, they passed and they're going to LaSalle. Say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ate, are you happy?
Yeah.
So what do you say?
Thank you, God.
Yes, and you'll do well, okay?
Yeah.
And make friends on the first day and do well. Kuya, what will you say?
Thank you, God.
Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll be a very good boy and you'll make a lot of friends and you'll be you'll be a student council?
Yeah.
Or start with class first and then you'll get honors?
Student.
Yeah, but just work
My
for
friends,
it.
I miss all my old
Yeah,
friends.
you'll miss them but you'll make new and every time you go home to Iloilo, meet up with your friends. Okay, guys? And you know,
Grace.
when we got the info, when we got the email, like 3 p.m., I sent it to our Facebook group chat. Mommy cried because she will miss you guys. So it's tears of joy, but also separation anxiety tears. Okay, but after she gives birth, and when the baby is stable, of course, she will visit you often. And you guys will go home also when you are on a break. Okay?
Yeah.
Sige. So, mommy, do you want to say something? Okay, mommy is teary-eyed. So, guys, thanks for watching. So, this is a special vlog from the time we had a school tour when they got their exams, and now, finally, when we got the good news that they are both LaSallians. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, again, please like, comment, and
Subscribe!
thanks, guys.
And comment